So, Thistle now has 400 watts of solar panels on the roof, 400 watt panels. These are Mono Crystalline, brand new, just over £60 each on eBay. Again, I've used Unistrut, but I'm not sure what it's going to show. I've had to make these plates with a slight taper on them to allow for the curvature of the roof on both sides. There's actually 6 of these plates, one each end and one intermediate. 3 metres of Unistrut, standard solar panel clamps and intermediate clamps, and that works well. It's got them well mounted, well supported, they're not going to come off. The cabling's in a standard junction box, about halfway down the van. I've dropped the cabling down at the moment because I'm not 100% sure where I'm going to put the batteries yet. Hello? Something coming in fast above us. But there's the solar install. Pretty easy. Bolts, dirty grate washers inside for load spreading. Unistrut, shake spacer, only a few degrees on the radial saw. And end result, let's see, get a bit higher. End result, 4 panels, all in a nice row. They're currently wired up to my Ring B2B charger, which is keeping the vehicle battery charged at the moment. And then there's a very de-stickered WAS over there getting built. Right, so there's a quick update. That's a quick Thistle update anyway. I won't be working on this van until I finish WAS. I've decided I'd actually like to spend some time in the summer out and about in one of these vans. There's no way I'm going to get this one complete. I've got too many ideas I want to do in this, so it's going to be a longer project. This won't be finished until next year. Whereas that one, I will have that done for the summer. We will be out in that in the summer, absolutely. Right, thanks for watching.